stop simmering and start boiling.
My nigga, that's a man.
What? Nah, I mean, she...
Up in the sky, it's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's Superman. Yes, it's Superman, strange visitor from another planet who came to Earth with powers and abilities far beyond those of mortal men. And who, disguised as Clark Kent, mild-mannered reporter for a great metropolitan newspaper, fights a never-ending battle for truth, justice, and the American way.
There was always some deeper meaning to whatever Chuckles did.
What's your name?
Toby. If no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the A-Team.
Can't take a picture of this, it's already gone.
But that is not the worst of it.
Pupa stage 3. English. I'm not an entomologist either. It's the third stage of larva metamorphosis.
Go on. It's fantasy enactment, ritual, fetishization, iconography.
They're probably watching me. Well, let them. Let them see what kind of a person I am.
I tried to. I wanted to. You wouldn't let me.
What does this have to do with anything?
Because I stayed in this world for you, Mother!
Mr. Soprano?
Yeah.
Have a seat.
I'm Dexter, and I'm not sure what I am.
I'm Dr. Khan's replacement, Dr. Gill. Is it Rachel?
Ray.
Smile.
I made a commitment here last week that I was going to come out to my kids, and I didn't do it. Because it just wasn't time, you know? But I will, and it will be soon, I promise you.
Come on, see Lila, the bearded woman of Brussels. Witness
two beauties born united tragically.
Surely there's a man with a stout heart, the brute strength and the spiritual fortitude to best my boy Gabriel.
This, Jen, is the internet.
It's so small.
That's one of the surprising things about it.
He said fuck you! Yeah!
I think I could find something. I love smoking.
I love smoking. That's very good.
My wife hates it. Reader's Digest says it will kill you.
Yeah, I heard about that.
The Demogorgon! We're in deep shit.
So long as I'm your king, treason shall never go unpunished. Sir Ilyn, bring me his head.
You're gonna have to prove it.
I'll fuck you, and then I'll eat you.
You graduated from college 2 years ago. We've been supporting you for 2 years, and that's enough.
Do you know how crazy the economy is right now? I mean, all my friends get help from their parents.
You're weak. Back the fuck off me.
Did you hear that, Mike? The Bear Widow. Get in touch with the Bear Widow.
As well as get in touch with the press guys?
Yeah, as well as get in touch with the press guys. 2 things. Call the Guinness Book of World Records. Oh, no, don't, because that would be 3 things.
Are you gonna stick me with that broken piece of plate?
Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Mis ojos están en todos lados.
Just calm down now, please.
Okay, don't let anyone ever tell you what you can't
Just
do
Sean.
to make my own decisions.
Sean.
I want to make my own decisions.
Just trying
I want to make my own. I want help.
Because we're cowards. Society.
Elliot, you're not saying anything. What's wrong?
Nothing.
It's a new season for our hero and pals.
A new season, and it's gonna be scorching. Off on new sprees in new exotic locales.
Fucking hell.
What the fuck is Netflix?